My turn. Hey, what's going on, friends? This is Smash House. I'm Josh.
I'm Bradley.
And today, looks like we're messing around with the game operation. What are we doing today, Bradley?
Well, today we're going to look at all the basic components that make operation work, what's under this mess, and take a look at the buzzer inside.
So we're going to take it apart? Cool. Something I've noticed about this box. This doctor performing surgery in an OR, he's not wearing any pants. No pants. He doesn't even have shoes on either. He's in his drawers. What's going on with that?
I do not know.
Somebody may need to write a letter to Milton Bradley. Actually, your name is Bradley.
I was going to say, what? I didn't even know that the company was one.
What? Okay. So how do you think we approach this?
Oh, well, we have these little plastic grommets here, and it looks like that's what holds on this. Well, I think that these ones down here are going to be safer options because they seem to be further away from where all the wiring, I think, is going on over here. But this one I'm particularly scared about because it's pretty close to the back cover.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Wait, did we take the batteries out?
Okay. Good idea. This one's close enough, yeah. Well, I inspected it.
So you're not going to need to press hard. You just let it do its work.
See, Mom? Say that.
Pro.
I'm professional already.
Okay. Nice. Very good.
The belly button.
Belly button.
Special one.
Just walking away from it a little bit.
And I am.
That's good enough. All right. Let's see. Can you get it off? Get closer in here. Take a close look.
There you go. That's it.
Okay. So that's just this. It attaches. Wow, this is.
Pretty bare bones.
Yeah. So this is very simple, which I guess we figured it would be, but
yeah.
It's even more simple than I thought it would be. This is literally one sheet of like thin gauge, super thin gauge steel. And so it's just one gigantic circuit, really.
Yeah. I'm very surprised. Definitely, like you said, that it's just one very thin sheet of steel, maybe, connected to a ribbon right there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's where it connects. So this whole piece just connects one place to complete the circuit where the batteries are. What do you think? And the vibrating piece is probably in here?
Yeah,
we should probably take that out first. So that's it. You got the cover off, and this is basically the inner workings, the most inner workings. So what do we got here? What do we see?
Well, see, it looks like a little, I don't know what that is, but you can see all the wires here that connect the tweezers.
Okay. And this bulb in here
yeah.
is protected by a little piece of plastic.
Just a little.
And then.
Yeah, it's right there.
Yeah. Well, what do you say? Let's put the batteries back in and activate it, and we can see what goes on.
All right.
So what's going on here? A little vibrating weight in there, or maybe it's just spinning. Actually, this is probably just a little small DC motor, and it's just spinning.
And I'm gonna take the tweezers and move it closer to the ribbon here, so maybe we can get a stronger.
That's a good idea. Very cool. You know what I think would be fun? If we found some other uses for this circuitry and the buzzer.
Maybe we could use it as a doorbell. We could. I mean, there's a lot of opportunities with just. So fun.
He wants to light somebody up. I think we could probably come up with some interesting ideas.
I think so. Okay, so after the soldering has been completed, we now have a extremely long wire that we can toy around with, and I can't wait. This will be very fun. After a little bit of trial and error, we think that we have correctly soldered everything, and we're going to test out.
You've got so much wire there. We've got about 50 feet at least of wire.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. That's it.
All right. Ready to go. Okay, we got a graveyard of operation. It's like we did an operation on the game Operation. We did. But we've got our huge circuit. What are we going to do with it? Idea number 1, doorbell. I like it.
Smash House written all over it.
Okay, I like that.
I like that, yeah.
What else you got? Alarm clock. Okay, I like that. I like that. You got anything else?
Oh, yeah.
Cookie security. I'm not even sure what that means. I think I'm going to find out though. Very nice. I think we probably should stop now because if we do anything else, Mom may not let us have a YouTube channel anymore. Well, we had a lot of fun here today. Thanks for joining us. If you like this kind of content, give us a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe. We're trying to do this kind of fun stuff all the time, so we'll keep the videos coming. We'll see you next time.